Do you know how beautiful it is waking up to an email like this? Exactly. Digital marketing. Okay. So, guys, today in this video, we're going to be talking about how to start digital marketing as a complete beginner. So, this video is going to be giving you every necessary gist you need to know about this business model. So, pick your pen, pick your book. We are about to get serious. Okay. Now, we're going to be breaking this video down into bit by bit so that I don't want you to miss any gist at all. So first of all, we're going to be starting with what digital marketing is all about. Then we're going to move to facts about digital marketing. Then the requirements for you to actually get started. Then the last but not the least, what you actually need to do. So this video is going to be a very detailed video. You better get ready. The class is about to get serious. Okay. Now, what exactly is digital marketing? Digital marketing is simply the use of digital tools to promote either your product or your services. Now, let me explain. You see, content creation is digital marketing. Email marketing is digital marketing. Those Facebook ads you are seeing on Facebook, digital marketing. Advertisements that you see anywhere at all, digital marketing. Pay per click, digital marketing. Anything that involves you using digital tools to promote either your product or your services, digital marketing. So I don't want you to think that digital marketing has only been limited to selling of products. So I did not teach you that. Okay. Digital marketing doesn't just have to do with only selling of digital products. Okay. So now that we have that out of the way, let's quickly talk about facts about digital marketing. Now calm down because we're about to debunk a lot of things. Now, first of all, I see this narrative going around that create a product in 10 minutes and you sell it for the rest of your life. Yes, you're going to sell it for the rest of your life. But you cannot create a product in 10 minutes unless you want to sell nonsense to people. Remember, as digital marketers, what we're trying to do is that we're trying to create digital solutions to people. Do you understand? That's what we're trying to do as digital marketers. So your digital product has to be solving a problem for somebody. Do you understand? Your digital product has to be solving a particular problem for somebody. And that is why not everybody is your target audience. So that is why it is important that you actually know your own targeted audience. Do you understand? So you cannot create a product in 10 minutes. You can create a product in a day. You can create a product in hours, but you cannot create a product in 10 minutes. So another thing I get people talking about is that as a digital marketer, you're going to be making $1,000 in a month. Now, I'm not trying to say that it is not possible for you to make $1,000 in a month. Some people will make $10,000 in a month as digital marketers. But you need to understand that as a beginner, you're not going to be, in fact, in your first month, you might not make any sales. In your first 3 months, you might not even make any sales at all. Honestly, go and ask people that have done it before. In your first 3 months, you might not even make any sales. You will just be posting, be talking about your product, and you might not make any sales. Now, it is not the same case for other people because some people made sales in their first 1 month of marketing their products. But you need to understand that digital marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a business model. And just like every other business, it needs time. It takes time and consistency for it to work. Digital marketing is hard work. Let me prepare your mind though, so you know what you are getting into. It is hard work. This because you purchase a course, it doesn't mean that that course is going to turn you to a millionaire. That course is only going to equip you with skills and all the right information that you need to know in order for you to begin your journey. But you need to put in the work. Digital marketing is hard work. You need to put in the work, the time, and the effort. So understand these things, so that it's not when you get into it, like not be like, oh, somebody did not tell you the truth. I'm telling you now. So prepare your mind. It is not even an easy journey. So I'm not even going to come here and sugarcoat anything. It is not an easy journey. It takes time, a lot of time. Okay. But once you are there, you are there. That's just the sweet part of it. Once you are there, once you've arrived, you've arrived. So, anyways, if you're looking for a course to kickstart your journey as a digital marketer, there is this sweet course I package for you guys. And guess what? My course is not expensive. It is not 50K. It is not 20K. You understand? My course is just 15,000 naira, and I left the link to this course in the description of this video. So go to the description of this video. You are going to love every bit of that course because this course will even teach you faceless digital marketing. It will teach you how to start your journey, like every necessary gist you need to know about digital marketing, especially as a beginner. It is in that course. So that course you are definitely going to love. Not just that, though, you also have access to our community of digital marketers to keep you motivated because honestly, you will need it. You can be feeling down like, oh, I've not made sales, stuff like that. But once you see somebody come to the group and be like, oh, I just made my first sale, oh, I've made so amount today, like you'll be gingered. So you need a community of digital marketers to keep you motivated. You need it. You need it to keep you motivated because you see this digital marketing journey go easy, rara. Do you understand? And if you also want to have a one-on-one coaching with me, because I know some people they don't like buying ebook, they just want you to give them all the gist by yourself. You can actually reach me. There's actually a link in the description of this video as well. Just after the link to the course, you see a link to actually get to chat with me for mentorship or for coaching. I'm your girl. Do you understand? And I've got you. But I'm only going to be giving you my time for a little token, okay? By clicking on the link, you're going to see it, okay? Also, I need you to understand that digital marketing did not say you should leave whatever you are doing and go and start promoting digital products. That is not what we are seeing. What we are seeing when we're talking about digital marketing is you becoming an expert in whatever field you're already in, to the extent that you actually sell your knowledge to other people. And let me tell you something about this selling your knowledge to other people. You don't need to know everything. Oh. You just need to know a little bit more than the next person to sell your knowledge to the next person. I'm telling you. You don't need to know everything. Just know a little bit. Learn about forex trading, and you actually sell your knowledge to the next person that don't know anything about forex trading. So if you're already into, let's say, fashion designing, don't leave fashion designing. Instead, learn so much about fashion designing that you can actually organize a class and charge people for it. Learn so much about fashion designing that you are that you're actually able to package your knowledge into an ebook and sell to other fashion designers that are just coming up, or other people that want to learn about fashion designing. So digital marketing is saying whatever field you are in, sell your knowledge. Anyways, that those are the facts about digital marketing that I wanted to talk about. Now the next thing is requirement. Now for the requirement, first of all, you need the right mindset. Now, if, in everything I've said so far, if you don't have the right mindset, in fact, you will not even want to start. Do you understand? You need to understand that there is a wealthy place, and you need to have an abundant mindset. You need to think positive thoughts. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now, how do you actually do these things I'm talking about? You can watch videos of people that are already where you want to be. Watch other people's other digital marketers that have made it. Watch their videos. Now, read books on finances. Learn. Keep improving. Like keep learning. Keep improving. Keep growing. Do you understand? And by the way, most importantly, even start, because speed matters more than perfection, and consistency beats motivation every single day. Do you understand? So most importantly, start, because it's better you, like I always tell people, it's better you start and you stop than you do not even start. At least try. It's better you try and you fail than you do not even try at all. So you need the right mindset. Oh, you see, everything I'm going to say in this video today, if you don't have the right mindset, you will still remain there. You have purchased the product that you have purchased it. Do you understand? Anyways, the first requirement is the right mindset. Then the second requirement is a phone and an internet connection. For you to be watching me right now, you need to already have a phone and an internet connection. So that is already settled. Now the third thing you need is actually a digital product. Now you can either create a digital product yourself, or you can get other people's digital products and market it. Okay. Now there are some people that gives you 100%, like you can have the 100% commission for marketing their own digital product. Yes, we have done for you digital products like that. Okay. Where you have, I think they said something about master resale, right? Something like that. Make your research. Okay, you will find information like this very, very useful. But for somebody like me, I would love to sell what I created myself. So you can actually create your own digital product. Now the fourth thing you actually need is actually a selling platform. Do you understand? You need a selling platform like Seller, Stand Store, and Stickcut, where you can actually host this your digital product. Okay, so the fifth requirement is actually a social media account. Now you need to choose one platform. Don't choose 10. Choose one, just one platform that you can at least start. If it is TikTok, pick TikTok. If it is YouTube, pick YouTube. If it is Instagram, pick Instagram. Okay. As for me, I understand YouTube and I understand TikTok. So those are the kind of platforms that I will always recommend to people that actually want to start. But you can choose whichever one you want. Okay, choose whichever platform works for you. Do you understand? So you have to create a social media account if you don't have one already, and then you start posting. Okay. Now the last but not the least thing you actually need for your digital marketing journey is marketing skills. Now the truth is that you already have these marketing skills. It's just that you refuse to show it. Now let me ask you a simple question. Okay, have you ever convinced somebody to buy something that they didn't want to buy before? You're actually a marketer. So we have that out of the way. So those are the 6 requirements for you to actually begin your digital marketing journey. Okay. So now to the last part of this video. how to actually start this digital marketing. Like, what exactly do you need to do? Now, the first thing you have to do is actually to learn about digital marketing. You have to learn about it. To do digital marketing, you have to learn about it, no doubt. And there are several ways you can actually do this. Now, you can actually get a course. I already mentioned my course. See, my course is, I don't want to say too much. Make you know best say I did. You will see it for yourself. That course will be everything you ever wanted. Like, you get every knowledge you ever wanted from that particular course. Okay, so you either learn about digital marketing by actually buying a course, or rather by watching several videos. Like, you can just come on YouTube and burn your data, and then you learn about, you get the knowledge you're looking for. It's actually online, but you actually need a lot of time. That's one benefit of actually buying a course. So now, if you buy a course, it's going to save you time, energy, and all the stress that comes with you trying to gather all the knowledge, because all the knowledge you now need about that thing you want is actually in one place. And let me ask you a simple question. If you want to go to school, you pay for fees, right? If you want to learn tailoring, you pay. Now you want to learn about digital marketing and you want to get it for absolutely free, there's no problem. Just burn your data. Okay, so that's the first, like, you need to learn about digital marketing. Then the second thing is that you need to pick a niche you're actually passionate about. Now, like I said, if you're already doing something already, don't stop it. Just promote yourself, put yourself out there even more, to the extent that you can actually sell your knowledge to the next person. Okay, so actually pick a niche you are passionate about. Niches like health, wealth, relationship, educational niche, like, these niches are very, very rich. Okay, so pick any of these niches, especially one that you love to talk about, because they should be able to wake you up even at the middle of the night and you start talking about this your niche. Okay, so pick something you are passionate about. Then the third thing is that you have to build an online presence. Of course, if you don't build an online presence, how will you sell your digital products? Okay, now the fourth thing is for you to give a lot of value. Now, you're not going to give out all your knowledge, just some of it, those basic ones, and then you sell the rest. Do you understand? So you need to give a lot of value for people to actually trust you, to actually purchase your course. Okay, now the last but not the least thing is for you to actually join a community of digital marketers, so that you can stay motivated. And this is one thing you actually get for free. Not just like you get a community of digital marketers for free by purchasing my course. You get all the knowledge you need by purchasing my course. Not just that, oh, you get free access to me. People are paying to get access to me, but you're going to be getting it for free. And all this for just how much, Pano? How much? For just 15,000 naira. So that is that for this video. Okay, I hope you learned one or two. And if you have not yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Because subscribe. Okay, I brought a lot of value. See the kind of value I gave you in this video. Because subscribe, like this video, and if you have any question at all, don't drop it in the comment section of this video, as I'm going to be replying all of your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I don't take you for granted. See you in my next video.